Hi artists. We are going to do a bonus project today. And this project is going to use all three elements of art that we've been talking about. We're going to use line, shapes, and colors. Let's go ahead and get started. The first element of art we are going to use today are shapes. You'll need at least 3 shapes, but you could even use 4 or 5. You'll want to make them rather large on your paper. I'll start off with a triangle. I'll go across and up and down. Next, I'm going to make a circle. Now here's the trick. The circle needs to overlap with my triangle. I'll start up here and go around, around, around. So my circle and my triangle are overlapping. So I have this section here that's in both the circle and the triangle. I'm going to do a square next, and the square needs to overlap with the circle. Across and down, across and up. So there's a section here that's in the square and the circle. It's really important. Now I said you have to do at least 3, so you could stop here. This would be great. But if you want to do 1 more or 2 more, depending on how much of your paper needs to be filled, that's fine. I'll do a diamond. Diagonal, diagonal, diagonal. It's going to go off the page a little bit, and diagonal. Now it's time to use color. I'm going to start off by using the primary colors. This is really important. Red, yellow, and blue. I'm going to start with red, and I'm going to color my triangle red, but not the section that's in the circle too, only this part. You can also use crayons or colored pencils for this. All right. Now I'm going to use my next primary color, yellow, in the circle here. So I'm not going to color these 2 sections that are overlapping. I'm going to go around them for right now. On my square, I'll use the last primary color that I haven't used, which is blue. I'll go ahead and color this in real quick. For my diamond, I can use either yellow or blue, or sorry, yellow or red. My apologies. I would not use blue because blue is in the shape next to it. So I can do this diamond in yellow or red, but not blue. You'll see why in just a moment. Some of you have probably already guessed what we're going to do next. Now, in the spaces where it's overlapping, I'm going to get my secondary colors. I'll need orange, violet, and green. In between the yellow and red, I'll need to use what color? You're right, orange. When you mix yellow and red together, it creates orange. When I mix yellow and blue together, it makes the color green. And since blue and red make violet, in the last section, I can color this overlap violet or purple. The last thing we're going to do today is pick any color you want. It could be black, one of the primary colors, one of the secondary colors. I think I'm just going to stick with black today. And I'm going to trace around my shapes, making a big long line. Sometimes it might be zigzag, sometimes it might be straight. Now it's going to be diagonal, curved, horizontal, zigzag. But I'm not done yet. I'm going to make another really long line. Zigzag, horizontal, diagonal, curved, horizontal, zigzag. You can see my line is starting to go off the page. That's okay. I think I have room to make one more. Zigzag, horizontal, diagonal, and curved, curve, horizontal, and zigzag. Once you've finished filling your paper with these awesome lines, you are done. I hope you had a lot of fun.